Hello, I'm back. All this on my desk. I was asked that I make my last creative journal. That wasn't the first time I was asked that. So I said, I've been wanting to make these again. These are on my channel. But I made these not to work in, but just to look at. So, and at first I was going to use this cardboard because I had plenty of it. But I said, no, I'm going to make it with just regular cardboard like this. But, I do have some like this, but then I said, no, I'm going to use this more textured paper that I bought. So I'm going to make it the length of a traveler's notebook, but probably not the width. So I'm just going to go to here. I made one a little longer so I could get more in it. So we'll see. So, and I assembled some things to put in it. And then this one I sewed in. And this one I used the twine method and just bound it in that way. Oh, I forgot. I need to get some that kind of paper to put in here too. Okay. So I decided to show you as I went along. I don't think I got all my papers together. I used to review manuscripts, so books. So I'm gonna put that in there. Put some construction. I have tons of construction paper. Okay, I'm trying not to make it too thick. Because I haven't sewed something in it for a long time. Hello, I'm back to show you I'm just going to join this to the end of the video. I collaged on it. I said sometimes in life you have to draw your own fairy godmother. It's how the collage turned out. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I'm going to make a closure with this. Now, I don't know if I already talked about it or not, but oh, I'm just sick. I had given away my, my other journals. I punched holes to close them, so I wanted to do it again with this one. But since then, I have given away my crocodile because I thought this crocodile was brand new. New. And I bought it from the yard sale for $1. And if I could... Let me show you. You know I don't pay full price. It was $1. And even for $3, I probably would have bought it. And that darn thing is broken. It doesn't work well. But what is good is these brads are new. But still, I was like, oh, I gave away. And mine was the pink with the pink handle. Oh. So sometimes, well, it is what it is. You live and learn. I was upset because this may pop out because I had to really keep it in there with glue. Because anybody who knows, when you clamp it, it just goes right in and it's good as, it's good. But there's, I wanted my sticky one, not this. See, I'm scared this is going to punch right out. Where is my stick? My stick pen one. Not my stick pen, but... Or I could do it over... Anyway. I'll do that later and make the ties. Let me see if I can get it through there. There we go. Alright. How was I going to do this? Was I going to do it like this? I was going to double, do the knot from inside with it. But I'm not doing it. I don't like it like that. But, oh well. I do this tie, double tie. I might like that. That's the... Yeah, because I covered unless I find something else to put right there. Okay, so that's the tie. Here's the cover, pocket. I'm still, y'all seen it when I was throwing it together. So here it is. And I've already started stuffing it with things I want to put in. I'm not going to put another fairy godmother in it, but here I am so excited about how the cover turned out. And I don't know if I'm going to yet do with Pam from Pocket Journal Pam, where a long time ago when I used to watch her when she was Little Magical Art, she covered it, her front with a with plastic. I don't know if I'm going to do that with packing tape. I don't know if I'm going to do that. And I was like, oh, and this is an eyeball. I just use as the center of the book. But I am just loving this, and I think I'm going to have fun playing. And then down here I put 2002 because up here it says May. I am going to have fun playing in this journal. So thank you for stopping by where I made my May 2002 creative journal glue book, because I'm going to glue book in here as well, because like I did, I collaged the front. I'm going, some of these pages I'll collage and I'll take you along while I do so. Alrighty, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.